Hi guys, welcome back to Adventures with Aditi's vlog. So today I am going to show a scratch quiz that I have made for a competition. In this project there are two characters, Nano and Giga. Nano introduces and Giga follows. So I have named it About Me. First let's go to Nano's coding. He will when the green flag button is clicked, he will say hello for 2 seconds and then you are going to do a quiz for 5 seconds. Finally, he will say let's start for 2 seconds. After that, he will switch to bedroom 2, that is Giga's bedroom. But before we check Giga's code, let's check these two codes. So when backdrop switches to bedroom 3, that is Nano's bedroom, he will show. When backdrop switches to bedroom 2, that is Giga's bedroom, he will hide. Okay, now let's check hers. When backdrop switches to bedroom 2, that is Giga's bedroom, she will say, "What is your name?" and then she will wait. After you answer, she will say, "Hello, my name is Giga" for 2 seconds. Then she will ask, "What is your age?" and wait. And then after you answer, she will say, "I am 10." Then she will ask, "What is your favorite game?" and wait. After that, she will say mine is also and the same answer you have written. What is your favorite color? She will ask next. After that, the same way as we did in the before question, she will say mine is also and the answer you have written. After that, she will ask that are you a girl or a boy? And wait. Then after you answer, she will say I am a girl for 2 seconds. Then she will ask, "Are you having fun with this quiz?" After we answer, she will say I am bored. See you and bye. And after that, it will stop. Now when backdrop switches to bedroom 3, that is Nano's bedroom, she will hide. When backdrop switches to bedroom 2, she will show that, and the bedroom 2 is Giga's bedroom. Okay, let's check it once in the screen, big screen. Hello, you are going to do a quiz. Let's start. First, Giga is asking, "What is your name?" So if I answer my name Aditi, she will say, "Hello, my name is Giga." And then she will ask, "What is your age?" So I am 9, so let me write 9. And after you answer, she'll say, "I am 10. What is your favorite game?" she'll ask us. So guys, here we discussed that after you answer, she will say mine is also and the same answer we have written. So let me just write shoot ball. Okay, let's see what she likes. See, she also says mine is also and our answer that we have written shoot ball. What is your favorite color now? She's asking. Okay, mine is blue, so let me write blue. Mine is also blue, she's saying. Are you a girl or a boy? She's asking me. So I am a girl, so let me write girl. She's a girl too. Are you having fun with this quiz? She will ask. I am, so let me write yes. She is bored, so she will see us later. Bye. Please like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon. Bye bye.